Dear children, as part of the reading festival conducted in our school, it's very happy to introduce my favorite book, The Serpent and the Rope, written by Raja Rao. Before going to the work, I would like to say about the Indian English literature. Indian English literature is the honest enterprise to demonstrate the ever-rare gem of Indian writing in English. Indian English literature has attained an independent space or status in the realm of world literature. Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao, they are the triumvirs of Indian English literature. And they stabilized and fortified the Indian English prose with their ample and unique style of literary works. The seed of the Indian writing in English was sown in the period of the British rule in India. Now the seed was blossomed, and now we have the fragrant flowers, evergreen trees, and the ripened fruits. Gardeners like Tagore, Sri Aurobindo, Raja Rao and Mulkraj, to name only a few number of writers, looked after the tender plant day and night. Now, in the modern times, we have so many writers and they are getting awards and accorded all over the world. The Serpent and the Rope is Raja Rao's second novel, and it was published in 1960 by John Murray. When we go through the biography of Raja Rao, we can see that he is the first English philosopher and the novelist of the Indian English literature. Raja Rao was the man who made wonder with his pens. His works are deeply rooted with metaphysics, and his notable works are Kantapura, Serpent and the Rope, The Cat and the Shakespeare, The Tale of India, Comrade Kirillov, Changing India, etc. The novel, The Serpent and the Rope, was written in an autobiographical style, and it consists of the concepts of existence, reality, and fulfillment of one's capabilities. The protagonist of the novel is Ramaswamy. He is a Brahmin, and after his studies he went to France and he married a French lady, Madeleine. After their marriage, the story says about the encounter between East and West. Our cultures are entirely different, customs, beliefs, etc. The title, The Serpent and the Rope, is symbolic. As the serpent means, serpent is a symbol of illusion, unreality and appearance. And the rope symbolizes reality. The story describes Raja Rao's search for quest and self-realization. The Serpent and the Rope is the vehicle for examining the Raja Rao's complex spiritual and philosophical ideas. I am sure that you will like this book. So indeed, reading a good book can enrich our knowledge and cultivate our sentiments. Holding books is holding hope, and opening books is opening window. Thank you.